They once had eggs before, but there were no signs of life. This was the second try, and they were exploring the nest again, which they hadn't seen in a while.
You walked into my life, and I am glad you came. Glad when you're not around, I've been broken. Glad you came.
Pepper would prepare the nest just how you liked it, and eventually with time, they'd settle in.
I was lost, had me wondering why I feel like home. I hold you close so you're by my side till the end of time. Before we go, will you stay with me? Never leave. You walked into my life, and glad you came. Glad you came. When you're not around, I've been broken. Glad you came.
I, on the other hand, would prepare lots of food with all the nutrients and calcium they would need to start a clutch.
Glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Let them out to stretch their wings, and I began to notice Yua was getting ready to lay.
Put your lips on mine. I love it when we hide in the pale blue
In
sky.
this time, the pair also bonded, and eventually the first egg would be laid. And then they would start the fertilization process, in which these two always started ahead of time, sitting on the first egg right away.
Must always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line with you by my side.
And so there was one, and then there was two, and then three, and then four, just as the last time. I continued to prepare their dishes, and they continued to tend to their eggs. I had started the previous week to kindle the eggs, but in my discouragement, I found again no signs of life.
What goes up must always come back down. Safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part.
I put out a bath and spray misted their cage. This would help the humidity levels for the egg to hatch.
I'll be fine. Yeah, 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 I'll be fine. Oh, I'll be fine. Far from home and horizon looking like a sunset dream. And not talking, water crashing, evening feeling like a
I started to notice, after a while, one egg was different than the rest, brighter and wider, and the only one who had signs of life. Even Yuki knew something was different around here, and I threw myself out of bed, and I barely got a glimpse of a small, soft ball of yellow feathers. And then, there was you.
I can tell the difference to your eyes.
Tucker and Yua were wonderful parents. They took turns feeding you and never quit.
With you until the end of time, when it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my how much I look like you. I was making all the riddles, how I always wanted to look like you. But I do, oh I do, I look like you.
You began to grow quite quickly.
For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find just to make it all look better, now I do, 'cause I look like you, I look like you, I look like you. I was used to be a little. When I grew up, everyone was always bigger. But then I learned when you showed me I am taller than I look. I guess I look like you. Oh, I do. I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find, just now I do, 'cause I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find just to make, 'cause I look like you, I look like you, I look like you, I look like you. I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know. Oh. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. We'll let them know we're safe later on. The road is cold and sun on our skin, sleeping under the stars when it's gone. Calling to see if you're free to run away with me. 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 Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand. Your security, there's no guarantee on anything. And I'll take care of you along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. And you'll take care of me along the way. My love, one day at a time, will leave our troubles behind. Here with you. Well, it takes me to when I was young. I fell before, but I can't ignore that it's nothing like I'm falling now. No, it's nothing like I'm falling now. I'll take care of you along the way.
And one day, you opened your eyes, and that was the first time you saw me. I began to worry because you were getting overfed, but I kept a watch and I prayed you'd get well. Which, in my luck, you did. We held you for the first time at 10 days old. A breeder recommended I start the hand-wearing process. I was debating whether or not this would be for the best, because let's just say Tucker and you were doing too well of a job. But I knew you still aren't quite ready, so you'd stay for a while more. Until you were 2 weeks old. I set up a brooder and would continue your feedings.
Time mind.
Wherever you pray, I'll be there when you call me. Over rivers and roads, wherever you roam, I'll be there when you call me. When time starts to break and the dawn is away, I'll be there when you call me. At the world is away, I'll be there when you call me. So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes. What a beautiful sound. Close your eyes and listen to the sound.
You would cry like a dinosaur, and I was learning a lot from you. And I knew I loved you.
When all hope has escaped and the darkness waits, I'll be there when you call. If your direction home is lost amongst the cold, I'll be there when you call. Hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Change is all around. Close your eyes and listen to the sound. Desires. I will cross the barren desert. I will walk among the fires. I will run to the deepest corner to see you face to face. You are my present and my future, the reason I am saved.
And so you continued to grow.
Wherever you pray, wherever you lay,
And we were growing quite close.
Waking up under all this rust is raining in my for a sunny day. Waiting on, but maybe I could swim and start to dry my skin till I'm getting carried away, riding on the back of the wave. So I land, but all this time I'm hoping for a sunny day, getting carried away, riding on the back of the wave. So I let go, come what may. But all this time I'm hoping for a sunny day.
I let you visit your parents, and it was a family reunion.
I've been walking round in someone else's shoes. So where are you going? Honey, can I catch a ride? Let's drive until the sun goes down in the moonlight, washes everything away. 'Cause I don't wanna run anymore. Can we take the road less traveled? We could get lost on the way. Spend a whole life chasing something that'll never stay. Can we take the road less to put down all those expectations?
You began to see me as your mother, and I began to see you almost like a son.
Which way will we to do? I put on that suit and wore that tie like a noose. Out of tune, and I could never find the notes to make it true. So where are you going? Honey, can I get you right? Let's drive until the sun goes down in the moonlight, washes everything away. 'Cause I don't wanna run it. Can we take the road less traveled? We could get lost on the way. We could spend a whole life chasing something that'll never stay. Can we take the road in there to put down all those expectations? Just sinking the ocean in. Which way will we do?
Began to try spoon feeding.
driving till the sun goes down in the moonlight, washes everything away.
You continued to grow, and our bond grew stronger.
We could spend our whole lives chasing something that'll never stay. We can take the road less traveled. There's no rush in getting there. So put down all those expectations. Just sink in the
And one day, you started to fly. There was never a moment when we couldn't be apart. You would watch me from my window outside. You would never leave me. This was the moment when I realized something was wrong. Your feathers weren't looking good, and you weighed very little. At your lowest, you weighed something about 52 grams, which is very underweight for a chick about a month now.
The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When it all goes to hell, will you my face to the sea and my back to the land? And if you can't come with me, I'll understand.
I stayed connected to breeders and talked with them about it. I started feeding you more and hoped with time you'd get better. I had no idea what was going on, but I just really hoped.
The end of the world at the palm of my hand.
But you never left my side, and you never stopped smiling.
When it all goes to hell, will you still be my friend? My face to the sea and my back's to the land.
I thought maybe you were getting better. You started acting more chipper and acting like you were fine. spirit never died, and you were always happy. You even started sitting on perches. And you saw your parents again?
Little miracle, love to watch you grow. You'll learn much more than I'll ever know. My little miracle, I see myself in you, and what a gift that is. I can't wait to see it all unfold and what you'll make of it. One smile from you is better than 100 sunsets. The sound of your laugh is something a heart never forgets.
And everything seemed so fine until you got worse. We planned to go to the vet, and I spent as much time with you as I could, because I feared we did not have long left.
So reach with open hands, hold an open heart, and don't forget, no matter where you
This was sadly the last moment we had together, and the last picture I took before you went to the vet.
Having a second feed.